In order to accommodate Ariane launches, the Guiana Space Center, at Kourou, French Guiana, received extensive modifications. The former Europa launch site was redesignated as ELA-1, and was rebuilt, with a lowered base and elongated tower. Although every Ariane launch were going to take place from French Guiana, rocket construction would be performed at Aerospatial Facility in Les Mureaux, Paris. In order to deliver the rocket from the production facility to the launch site, each stage of the Ariane rocket would be shipped on barges down the Seine to Le Havre, where they would be loaded onto an ocean-going vessel and be conveyed across the Atlantic Ocean to Kourou. A combination of roads and railways would transport the components inland to the Space Center itself. Once fully assembled, the rocket would be moved a short distance to the launch pad itself on a mobile rail-mounted platform, and stored within a fully enclosed, air-conditioned service tower, where the payload would be installed and final checks performed under clean room conditions. Prior to Ariane's first launch, there was some skepticism, much coming from American and British figures, that the Ariane would be an expensive indulgence that could be unnecessary and rendered uncompetitive by the upcoming Space Shuttle, a partially reusable launch system that was then under development by NASA. By 1977, there had only been 3 initial customers lined up for Ariane. However, in December 1977, communications satellite operator Intelsat was persuaded to place an order for 2 Intelsat 4s to be launched using Ariane. This was considered a major win for the program, as Intelsat was viewed as heavily committed to use the rival Space Shuttle for a large number of its satellites. 1 week later, ESA announced its commitment to a production run of 10 ARIANE-1 launchers. With liftoff mass of 210,000 kilograms, Ariane-1 was able to put a satellite of maximum weight of 1,850 kilograms in geostationary transfer orbit, or 2 smaller satellites. The cost of the program is estimated at €2 billion. The Ariane-1 was a 3-stage vehicle. The first stage was equipped with 4 Viking engines, developed by the Safran Aircraft Engines. The second stage had a single Viking engine. The third stage had 1 liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen engine, capable of a thrust of 69 kilonewtons. The first and second stages were powered by hypergolic propellants, namely UDMH and N2O4. This design was kept in the Ariane series until Ariane 4.